Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Find X2 Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this wireless HUAWEI AM61 earbuds. So at the first, you have to be sure that they are turned off. So you have to take a look on the indicator. When it is not blinking or lighting, it means that they are turned off. Next, you have to click and hold this middle button. So let's make it. And take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the red and the blue color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we can release that key. And next, move to the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone. Enable Bluetooth. And right now, when the AM61 pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them just once. And accept pair by tapping right here. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are finally connected with our HUAWEI AM61 wireless earbuds. And that's all. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.